Everybody, welcome back. Saturday in the shop today. I got a real hectic day going, so we're going to do something a little bit different today. We relaunched our web store, which carries all kinds of different stuff. Some one-of-a-kind parts we make, some production parts we make, some merch. And we're also going to be collaborating with Juan. You've seen Juan on the channel before, a good friend of ours, local tattoo artist, and we're going to be selling some different prints and art stuff that he does, kind of all tattoo inspired, motorcycle inspired, chopper inspired art. So I just wanted to give you guys kind of a quick rundown, show you the site. We'll show you some of the merch. We got t-shirts, a couple hats, and we're working on all kinds of new stuff here in the up and coming weeks. So a little bit different. I don't know how many people will like this or not. I guess we'll know if anybody watches it. But just wanted to share this stuff with you, give ourselves a little bit of cheap self-promotion, and hopefully maybe we can sell you guys some t-shirts if you like what we have. So anyway, gonna jump on the computer here, show you guys the site. It's just a big cartel site, nothing too fancy, easy to navigate, and show you some of the stuff we got listed, and we're going to be adding lots of stuff in the next few weeks. So if you do check it out today when you watch the video, please be sure to check back and keep up with what we're adding. Alright guys, this is our latest t-shirt. All the artwork was designed by Juan. They were all printed by a friend of ours up north in Ohio. Really nice, cool shirts. Got these in a variety of sizes. And everybody needs to have one or two. Alright, so we're going to get a little shameless self-promotion here. This is our website, Gattisgarage.com. Put a link down in the bio. It's new. We just launched it a couple of weeks ago. So check that out. But we're here to talk about the web store, really. So link to the web store is at the top. It's nothing super high tech, but we have all our products on here. We're going to be adding a ton more coming up here in the next weeks and months. We have one-of-a-kind parts. These are really cool stuff, I think anyway. But we make one, and that's it. Once it's sold, it's gone. We won't make any more. So if you want a unique part for your bike that no one else is going to have, this is one way to get them. We got our merch. One thing of note, the 24-hour build shirts, there's a small handful of those left. If you want one, get it soon, because we won't print those again. And they were basically just made for everybody who participated in the event. And so there's a few left, though. So those are out there if anybody wants one. And then we have, so far, some of our Shadow 600 parts and some Harley parts up. Something else we're going to be adding is Juan, who does a lot of our design work for our merch. He's a 30-plus year tattooer and painter and all that stuff. So we're going to be doing also some of his stuff. We'll add another category here for some prints and different stuff that he does. So we'll be collaborating with him on that. Those will be coming soon, so be sure to check back often for that stuff. So here we just got a little behind the scenes. Juan doing some photographing on a bunch of the parts we're going to be loading up on the web store. So again, today, not our normal day. Not a ton of super exciting stuff going on, but something we're pretty proud of, getting all these parts out there. So please do us a favor and check them out. Alright guys, that's it for today. Like I said, not real exciting. Please check out the website. Let us know what you think. We're always looking for cool ideas for products. If you have a product you've been dreaming of having for your bike, and for whatever reason you can't make it happen, get a hold of us. We love making custom parts for people, one-of-a-kind parts. It's really what we like doing. So
That's it. We're out of here. Appreciate everybody as always, and we hope to see you next time at Gattis Garage.
I just got that guy.